Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy AYJ. Welcome back to a brand new beatbox tutorial. Today we will be learning the throat bass kick, which helps you make beats like. Alright, to learn the throat bass, first what you need to do is learn the classic bass kick. There's a link down in the description below. Learn the classic bass kick, come back to this video, and you'll be learning the throat bass kick. Alright, so first thing that you need to do when learning the throat bass kick, जब आपको खांसी होती है, when you're like about to cough and it's like a really bad cough, you know, बलगम वाली खांसी, तो आपको करते हैं. You need to get that sound. The just have the mixed with the so you have something like and when you learn this, when you keep on practicing something like this, once you have it, okay, so in the start it's not going to sound that amazing, but slowly you're going to have it, you're going to learn it, it's going to sound crisp. Once you have the crispiness down, all you got to do is do this simple beat that I'll have the pattern right here. So the bass kick, the throat bass kick, basically is the stepping stone for other beats or other sounds like So it really helps out a lot, but for the stepping stone, you gotta learn the I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, you subscribe, follow me on my Twitch. I stream every night on Twitch. Follow me on my Instagram. मेरी अपनी personal ज़िंदगी के बारे में जो Instagram पे चीज़ें वो YouTube पे नहीं होती. And make sure you follow me on Twitter as well. Twitter is some place where I just hop in every now and then, and here's what I'm gonna do. For the first 10 followers I get on Twitter, I'm gonna follow you guys back. So make sure you follow me right now. All the links are in the description down below.